example, which can scale up a font to 1,000 point, and it still looks. Canva, to my understanding, can't do any vector stuff, but Figma. Now, Figma is a multi-purpose tool, and there are paid versions of it, just like there are paid versions of Canva. Yep. There are certain things that you cannot do in the free version of Figma. Collaborating with other people, I think you can only have so many open projects, stuff like that. However, Figma is excellent. I think it was built specifically for a web design, generally speaking, but has sort of opened up beyond that into be just a general vector editing platform. If you are getting into front end web design and you need somewhere to just lay out ideas and you don't want to bother with code, this is an excellent place to just start playing. And the fact that it's collaborative, multiple people you can see could be working on it at the same time, that is pretty incredible.
Yeah, I mean, I've heard people just enjoying using this whiteboard feature where you can just hop in together and just, hey, let's just draft this up with a low effort, a low investment team collaboration.
Right. There are some automatic ways to take something you make in Figma and turn into a website. To my understanding, they're relatively new and not entirely full featured. No. So, be careful, do some research on that before you decide to jump, all the way in on something like this. But if you're looking to do some basic web design, if you're looking to do basic logo design, which always must be vector, do not make raster logos. This is sort of an excellent starting point to get into that world without, submitting to our Adobe overlords necessarily. It's worth taking a look.
All right. Well, number 8 then, just keeping us moving along. And this is one that you hear us talk about basically every single episode of the podcast. And that is, what is it, guys?
Discord.
I mean, I've been
like our Discord.
Like our Discord, like the Black Bar Discord.
For those who are wondering, I was watching this, and halfway through, halfway through this, I actually experienced a drop of internet. The internet went down, and I thought, right, is this a good opportunity? A good opportunity now? Just go to bed. So if you watch me on a regular basis, you understand that I use a MiFi, and it's powered by a battery. And I've also got a backup. Where is the backup? I've just dumped everything on the sofa. So this is my backup. So normally use that now for traveling. So that now is a state-of-the-art 5G MiFi. And most of you would understand that I have took my original SIM card out of my phone and put it in my MiFi, because I'm paying £21.50 for unlimited calls, unlimited texts, and I'm also getting 80 gig of internet. So I thought, I'm not wasting 80 gig in my phone. Most of you are also wondering why you can't contact me on WhatsApp. If you actually physically see that I have actually physically removed myself from WhatsApp. There is a few people who are trying to contact me on WhatsApp, but they've not actually physically understand that I have removed myself from WhatsApp. There is a few people I speak to on a regular basis via YouTube, and they understand the problem that I have on a regular basis, where my phone is constantly ping, 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 ping. I thought, just remove myself. So deleted WhatsApp. And after deleting WhatsApp off my phone, I realized how much storage WhatsApp actually physically uses to maintain you on and contacting people on a regular basis. So you may be watching me on a mobile, or you may be watching me on a tablet, or you may be watching me as I'm recording and live streaming off my laptop. So I was halfway through watching. I thought it's got now black. Is it black? Hang on, I've got too many windows open. Black Bar. Black Bar are a team of 3 guys who normally, like yesterday afternoon, normally come on live and explain to the local church of what is available on a regular basis for people who live stream, like myself, the local church service. And they were explaining what you can get for free and what you can't get for free. So I think I was actually physically, before my internet went down, I think I was actually up to 13 or 14. So now the idea now is to actually return myself back to my original programming and watch the rest of the Black Bar. Is it Black Bar? Black Bar. Yeah, Black Bar presentation. So I can also actually drop Black Bar into the chat. So what I'll do now is I'll actually drop what I'm watching in the chat. So let me share that with you in the chat. If you are watching on the chat, then good to see you. So Black Bar now in the chat, and I'll press OK. And also, while I'm here, I'll go to edit and get rid of the irritating heart in the chat. So live reactions off. Save. Bye heart. And now I can actually press the three dots after this link, and I can actually now pin it, message, pin it. So normally this time, my time in the UK, I'm normally hanging around waiting for Doug Houston, who's a YouTube guru like Nick Nimmin. And normally he comes on an hour and a half before Nick Nimmin comes on. So he's just reached his 10k subscribers. I don't know how long it's took him. So the problem is with Doug, he's actually sent his apologies that he's not actually physically not streaming today. So well, I'll give you a little chance of I don't know if I'm able to actually give you a sample of Doug, because YouTube has developed their interface, and it now has this opportunity to share your screen. So I just did it with Black Bar. So I'm actually now going to physically finish watching that episode of Black Bar, and I think I was rudely interrupted by my Wi-Fi going off during number 14. So what I'm going to do now is Love and Leave You. I'm not too sure what the title is of this live stream, so I might change it and put a new what do you call it? A new thumb. Can't even do that. Thumbnail on the presentation. So I'll see you later, alligators, in a while, crocodile, and then hopefully Chantel Hills in the same area as Doug may actually or may not be live streaming in place of Doug. So it might be a good idea to give Chantel a knock and say, hey, instead of Doug, can't you just jump on and go, hi, welcome to another question and answer YouTube creators. So anyway, I'm going to see if Chantel is able to do what Doug normally does on a Saturday afternoon before Nick Nimmin. So bless you guys. See you later, alligators. In a while, crocodile. So